I'm Martin Osborne. I'm the CEO for Flooid EMEA and APAC.
I'm Martin Lee. I'm Director of Operations at Flooid.
So the Flooid Unified Commerce Platform is our solution for retail. That platform is designed to deliver to retailers all of the selling capability that they need to provide the experience for their customers and their staff in store. We decided to move to the cloud really to leverage a lot of the capabilities that we weren't able to do when we were tethered to physical data centers or on-prem solutions.
Working with Google gives us fantastic access to huge amounts of scalability, huge amounts of infrastructure, but DoiT are really vital in that relationship for us as well, because they can help unlock the most value that we can get from that. They can help us simplify where things are complicated and ultimately pass that value on to our customers.
Google Cloud products are really helping Flooid succeed by being a leader in the retail space. So it's really allowing Flooid to maintain that secure, reliable and highly scalable platform that Flooid customers know them for. That partnership is allowing Flooid to innovate fast, be consistent and just maintain their leadership that they have in their unified commerce platform space.
So we've worked with DoiT for many years, and there's been an increasing number of capabilities and features in the Cloud Intelligence platform that we've made use of. So things like FinOps, things like cloud analytics and the reporting. These are all things that over time we've embedded in our own processes and become core to what we do.
So the relationship between DoiT, Google and Flooid started back in 2021. Originally it was mainly around a commercial relationship, but in the past 4 years that I've been involved, we've really focused down on the leadership KPIs and driving the value for Flooid.
Technology is going to be really important for retailers to be able to address these headwinds. It's going to be the linchpin or the thread that's going to bring that customer journey. So Google Cloud had some very exciting announcements at the National Retail Federation this year, and it was epitomised by Sundar Pichai, who is our global CEO, turning up for the keynote. What we announced were lots of different things, but all centred around amplifying the customer experience.
Some of the Google Cloud products that Flooid are using extensively across their estate are Google Cloud Compute. They're also looking at others, and the strength of the partnership is really what makes this partnership a success.
One of the things we're most excited about at the moment is AI and how that's evolving and how we can best make use of that. And it's something we're working on closely with Google. Very excited to see where it goes.
If you think about it, we all touch Google every day, so whether it be Google Maps, Gmail, YouTube, Waymo, Waze, there are so many different apps that touch, and we understand what it is to have to provide a 24/7 operation, but getting the customer to store is the hardest thing that retailers have to do. So making sure that they can transact, get the products they want and leave happily is the most important thing they can do.
The relationship with Google and DoiT moving forward is absolutely important as we look over the horizon at the wave of changes that are going to come in the industry. It's been transformational really for the business.